Hi, this is Mrs. Warren, and if you're watching this, then you missed school on November 11th, 2019. Please follow the instructions in this video, and of course, always ask questions when you need to. Today in class, we worked on our next principle of government, which is federalism. But first, we went to page 75 entitled it Limits on the Constitution. We kind of have an overall review of the principles and what they were for. You can get these from somebody when you come into class the next time I see you. Now, our topic today is called federalism. So please go to page 79. I repeat, 79, entitled that Federalism. Now, federalism is a system of government where the big national government share its powers with the states. So, in your notes on page 79, this is your title, Federalism, and right below it, write the definition. You can pause this video at any time. Now, the national government takes care of all of the powers that are applicable to all 50 states, things that we do that in regards to other countries and national security. The state governments have all the other powers left over. If you can see, this little state government guy is made up of all the different state representatives, and they take care of stuff that happens within a state that doesn't affect any of the others. Now, most of the time you'll see the powers split up into a Venn diagram, as you see here. These are all the different state powers, or excuse me, national powers. These are the things, big national things. They make money. They establish post offices. They take care of our military. They can declare war. Anything to do with a foreign country, that's what their job is. Now, in regards to the state powers within our state, just Texas, these are the kinds of things that we do. We establish local governments. They make rules and laws about school and licenses, fishing, hunting, speed limits, evacuation laws, all those kinds of things are done within the state. These powers do not affect other states. These powers do. Now, there's a few things that kind of go under both realms. The national and state government both have laws, and they both have courts and like police. We have the FBI, we have constables, sheriffs, police officers, city police. We have state taxes. We have an income tax we pay. We can borrow money, both are shared. They can create banks, establish court systems, and provide for different government services for the public. Please write these in your notebook. Federal powers, they're in charge of making nationwide decisions. State powers, these are in charge of making decisions that will only affect their state. Concurrent powers, these are both powers that they share. Please pause the video to get this on page 79. We did several different activities. We were on Pear Deck today where we practiced, which powers went to which federal or state or concurrent. So you missed a little bit of practice. These are some listings of different state powers. Another one where we practice with which ones were federal and state governments, concurrent. And then we also did a STAR question, and we broke it down and answered a STAR question about federalism. Now, we watched this video about U.S. state and federal powers. I'm going to show this at the beginning of class on Tuesday when we continue talking about federalism. Now, I introduced an activity. Not many of the classes got very far. You'll get one of these sheets where you will accessorize each one of these into showing their powers that each part of the government has under federalism, federal, state, and concurrent powers. And you will have 3 representations of each power for each superhero. So we're going to change that 4 to a 3. And these are some of the superhero powers. So that's about what we did on Monday. Make sure that you get the proper papers and you ask any questions that you need to. Like I said, we're going to continue this on Tuesday, November 12th, and I'll see you then.